Welcome back to Vibe Check. Today we'll be showing you how to turn sumac into a spice. Let's get started. First, cut the stem just below the horn and hang up to dry in a sunny window. After about a week, it should look something like this. This next step will require a bowl and a fork. Hold the sumac by the stem inside the bowl and begin removing all the seeds from the stem. You can use your hands here, but I find a fork speeds up the process greatly. Be sure to get as many seeds as you can into your bowl. This will help you get the most out of each one because much of the seed won't be used in the spice. Now that we've removed the seeds, pour them into a grinder for about 30 seconds. This will separate the seeds from their delicious outer layer. Not only is this spice a unique and flavorful addition to many dishes and drinks, but it also has potent medicinal effects on the body as well. In a study published by the National Library of Medicine in 2021, researchers concluded that sumac possesses powerful antioxidants that may have been shown to have therapeutic benefits for many diseases, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and even cancer. While research is still ongoing, this humble spice may prove to be useful in even protecting our DNA. When we're done grinding, the mix of seeds and spice should look like this and have a nice soft feel. Next, grab a mesh strainer and place it over your bowl. Pour the contents of your grinder into the strainer and work back and forth with the spatula. If done correctly, the spice should fall into the bowl while leaving the seeds in the strainer. You'll be left with a fine red powder that has a fantastic citrusy flavor. Here I used a funnel to pour my spice into a jar and save for later. One horn may only make a small jar of spice, but a little goes a long way. From shrimp scampi to lemonade, this spice can do no wrong. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one. This is Vibe Check, out.